Hi, my name is Alifa Putrinda. I'm from Indonesia. The great thing about the University of Manchester is it has a lot of options for you to study. They have the library, they have the learning common, they have the PISA cluster, and they have a lot of buildings that have really good spaces to just study. My favorite place to study in campus is the learning common and also the main library. I think it's very cool. The place is very convenient, it's very comfortable. They have a cafe downstairs, they have the coffee. When you see the atmosphere, when you see the design, it makes you feel you want to study. The accessibility, because it's open 24 hours. So you can just go there at 11 o'clock in the night or just stay overnight. We have a lot of deadlines. So it's a really cool place and I'm really proud of it. It is very easy to find books and also any learning resources in the library. And then they also have an access to any databases you need. For example, I'm studying marketing and we need a lot of market research data. So once you have a project, you can just go online, find any resources you need there. I think the University of Manchester really support me. As a student here, I feel that I can get anything I need for my study. They have the online resources, they have any books that I need, and also they have the really cool places. So I think as a student, I'm really satisfied with the University of Manchester.